Welcome to another Save Your Books video. This one is about repairing foldouts from your books. So a foldout is when you've got things that extend past, and as you can see, they get torn up a lot. And it's torn in several different places. But basically, no matter what you're working on, you need to open it so that everything is flat. And I actually, we have to work on it from this side because we don't want to put the Japanese tissue over the information. So I've just got some catalogs here, and I'm going to attempt to get the right height, the same height. While the Sekishu is really good for flat areas, anything that folds, I'm actually going to want to go with a lighter tissue. This is the hinging tissue. And let's just paste this out. And I'm kind of rubbing it in, partly just to get the excess off of it. You don't want squeeze out. And I'm going to put that right over where that was. If you don't have a Teflon folder, it's really nice to rub through something. And that will help prevent it from tearing. Okay. And then anytime you're working on a folded area, see, you don't want to add bulk. You don't want to, because then when it folds, it has nowhere to go and it won't open or close well. So the thinner the tissue, the better, and this hinging tissue is completely adequate. And I'm going to go a little past the actual, where the actual tear is, because the tear only goes up to here, but I'm just going to go all the way past that. So when you want to make your fold again, after you have ironed this and it's all nice and crisp, it's actually really handy to dampen the area that you just dried, because you want to give it a chance to fold into the new, form again. There are these new fibers and they need to relax. You're saying it's okay to fold like that. It's okay to fold like that. And then that's how that will go. All right, that is the very first of all of these tears that I can do, and the rest are pretty much the same. So there you go.